players on Earth. So I think they focus on Earth so much. We are a few guys, so just have fun with them na. And try to finish it early. Okay, it will start in 1 second. Go, go, go. Collect towers, guys. Collect, collect, collect. And of course, you can PvP also. Those who are in the map. Go, go. No, no, no. I was just mumbling. So take that na. Take the towers. Aigu, aigu. If you don't have enemy in your element, guys, try to just kill the mid boss so we can take the crystal in the middle. So we can go and finish it up early. For those in Earth, you have enemy, so go have fun na, guys. Who did- Again, guys, so for now, of course, be friendly, okay? Especially for clubs that are in 2, 3, 4. Don't be a bully, ah. Because we are only in one server and we are very few already. Okay, the elemental is in the middle na. Go kill and collect the crystal. Okay, good job, good job. Have fun in Earth, guys. They are strong also in Earth. Kata is strong, but they just don't have enough members. So just have fun with them na. We are a bit lucky because in 234 there are not many toxic people, guys. So that is why I like the server. In 234 there are no toxics. No, 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 Levi. No. They should Kata should live na because it's very bad if there is only one club in one server. That will be like 233 and we don't want to be like that na. They got merged down because their server is dead. So it's good that Kata is, yeah, they like being, even though they are red names, they are friends, guys, okay? Let's not make another dead server. Yeah. So be friendly na. And just healthy competition is fine. No trash talking or anything. That's why I like Kata also. Because they are not like other servers that many people are very toxic na. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Even me, I'm also very neutral. As long as they don't hit me, I won't hit back. That is always my the rules that I follow. If I don't get hit, I will not hit back. But if I get hit, I will kill. Of course. Of course, that's another matter na if you got hit, just fight back, man. It's okay. Healthy competition is good, but trash talking is bad, okay? So, no trash talking. I will spunk your butt. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Bullies will get spanked, guys. Okay, good job, good job. Well played, guys. Don't forget to say GG well played in the club, in the world chat afterwards, okay? But Earth is still ongoing. The other elements are already done. Okay, have fun, Earth. Oh, Earth is still ongoing, guys. They are still fighting at Earth. I go. It's okay, it's okay. Let us wait for the others, guys. After they are finished, we will be doing the POC and SOC at the base, okay? GG, well played, guys. GG, GG. The Earth element will end soon also. Just a bit more. Let's wait for them na. Ah, ah, ah. Tana, 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 tana. Okay, don't worry. We will, they are still inside. Okay, okay, they are done. Okay, come here, come here. Don't forget to chat DJ well played in the club chat. I mean world. Come, and come base for POC and SOC. Thank you so much, guys, for attending Tuesday. But we really need you during Thursdays, okay? Make sure that you are always active if ever we have Thursday contest because we need people. It's always cross server, so you know, more people the better.